Morning AP Bio students, this is Mr. Wolf with your Monday morning message for 5-4. How do you like my new haircut? Just did it myself. So today is our last unit of review. So we're getting into unit 6 today, but a couple things before we get into the review documents. Over the weekend, the College Board pushed out some review things for you all to take a look at. The first thing I want you to take a look at is this exam day tour video. Kind of talks briefly about the exam, gives you a brief overview. It's a YouTube video. Watch that first, and then there's this interactive demo. This interactive demo is going to have you go through and actually take or see what it looks like to take the actual AP exam. So the exam ID right now is just practice. You type that in, and then you go through and you start entering your information just as if you were taking the actual AP exam. Now, they're not going to give you any prompts to write on, but I highly recommend that you open up a Google document and write something down. I can give you a prompt if you want. Maybe I'll post that to the classroom later. But practice the copy and paste method from going from a Google Doc into the actual exam portal. Again, you can't type in the exam fields for the question prompts. You'll have to be copying and pasting or uploading a document. So whatever method you're deciding to use, again, I highly recommend the copy-paste method. Whichever one you decide on, this will allow you to practice that, so you don't have to worry going into the exam how you're actually going to submit your scores. So this is an important thing to practice sometime between now and the days you start taking your AP exam. And I believe this will be the same for all your AP exams, not just AP Bio. All right, so if you have more questions about those, just send me those later and I will answer them. Okay, so the content review today. Unit 6 is on DNA, replication, and the central dogma of biology. You have your review and resource documents to do your initial rankings on that first, and then complete 2 of the 4 Unit 6 practice assignments on albert.io. I recommend focusing on just doing them in order. Do A and B first, and then C and D tomorrow. And then use the, oops, forgot a little mistake here. Complete the Unit 6 midpoint self-assessment after you complete those 2 assignments today. So whatever you focus on today, go back to the self-assessment and see where you feel you are in those rankings on the topics that you covered today. Okay? And then the rest of the day is yours to study how you wish. I will be holding office hours today from 11 to 11:30 and 2 to 2:30. If you have any questions, just pop on in. I'll just be doing some grading, but I'll be welcoming any questions you have. I hope you have a great day. Last week of review, and thanks for watching.